BMW rear warning light issues have become increasingly common in vehicles from 2018 to 2025, particularly affecting X Series SUVs and 3 and 5 Series models equipped with LED lighting systems. BMW rear warning light problems fall into three main categories. Electrical issues account for 60% of cases and include corroded connectors, faulty LED drivers, and damaged wiring harnesses. Module-related problems represent 25% of cases, involving software corruption in the light control module, communication errors between modules, or firmware incompatibilities after updates. Physical component failures make up the remaining 15%, including LED bulb degradation, moisture accumulation in light housings, and mechanical damage to the taillight assemblies. Electrical issues are the leading cause of BMW rear warning light problems. Moisture infiltration leads to connector corrosion, as shown in this example of a damaged electrical connector with corroded contacts. Understanding warning light indicators is crucial for proper diagnosis. A solid amber or red light typically indicates a bulb failure or circuit malfunction. A flashing light suggests an intermittent connection or module communication error. When multiple warning lights appear simultaneously, this usually indicates a system-wide electrical issue or a failure in the main control module that manages the entire rear lighting system. The diagnostic process begins with a thorough visual inspection. Check all rear lights for physical damage, inspect electrical connectors for signs of corrosion, and verify that bulbs are properly seated in their housings. After visual inspection, connect an OBD2 scanner compatible with BMW systems. Record all fault codes related to the lighting system and check the communication status between different control modules. BMW's rear lighting system consists of several interconnected components. The light control module serves as the central processor, while the rear electronic module handles specific rear lighting operations. LED driver circuits, shown in this schematic, control the power delivery to individual LED elements. Proper diagnosis of BMW rear warning light issues requires a systematic approach. Begin with visual inspection, use appropriate diagnostic tools, and carefully document all findings to identify whether the problem is electrical, module-related, or physical in nature. BMW rear warning light issues can often be resolved through systematic reset and repair procedures. We'll cover both software and hardware solutions, starting with the simplest methods first. Software resets are the first line of defense against BMW warning light issues. These methods clear temporary glitches and reset communication between modules without requiring physical repairs. The battery disconnect method is the simplest reset procedure. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for exactly 15 minutes to allow all modules to fully power down and clear temporary faults. This method has a 30 to 40% success rate for minor software glitches. The OBD2 scanner method offers higher success rates of 60 to 70%. Connect a BMW-compatible diagnostic tool, navigate to the light control module, and perform the adaptation procedure. This method targets specific modules and provides detailed fault code information. When software resets fail, hardware solutions address physical problems like corroded connectors and failed components. These repairs require more time but offer permanent solutions to recurring issues. Connector cleaning resolves 40% of hardware-related warning light issues. Inspect all rear light connectors for corrosion, clean with electrical contact cleaner, and apply dielectric grease to prevent future moisture infiltration. Proper grease application is crucial for long-term reliability. Apply a thin layer of dielectric grease to all connector pins and terminals to create a moisture barrier and ensure reliable electrical connections. Component replacement follows a specific priority order based on cost-effectiveness and failure rates. Start with LED driver modules as they're the most affordable fix. Then check wiring harnesses for damage, and finally consider the light control module as a last resort, since it requires expensive programming. Modern BMW vehicles from 2024 onwards feature iDrive 8.5 systems with improved self-diagnostic capabilities. These systems can detect rear lighting issues in real time and provide specific guidance for repairs. BMW has also released software patches for models from 2018 to 2025 that address known warning light malfunctions. Here are the success rates for different repair methods. Battery resets work for 35% of cases. OBD2 module resets succeed 65% of the time. Connector cleaning resolves 40% of issues. And component replacement has a 95% success rate when properly diagnosed. Follow this systematic approach for the best results. Start with the simplest battery reset, then progress to OBD2 module resets, connector cleaning, and component replacement. If issues persist after these steps, professional diagnosis ensures accurate identification of complex electrical problems. Remember that professional diagnosis becomes necessary when DIY methods fail. BMW technicians have specialized tools and access to the latest technical service bulletins that can identify complex electrical faults beyond basic reset procedures.